Hi guys, so in this tutorial I want to show you how to make Ankara Jabot tie. I will use staple, velcro, scissors and Ankara fabric. So on your fabric, measure 15 inches length and 10 inches width. This fabric is on fold. I've already cut it out. It's on fold like this. So when you want to measure your own, measure it on fold. 15 inches length, 10 inches width. So on one corner side, one folded side, we will measure 5 inches round. 5 inch. I will mark with my chalk. I will measure it round. 5 inches. So I measured 5 inches round. So I'm going to cut this out. So this is what I have. I will just draw an arc from here. Okay, let's draw from here. So I'll cut this out. So this is how it is. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to cut this out on another fabric. I need two of these. So on a Ankara material, I'll fold it back. I want to cut this out again. So I just lay this one, the one we already cut out, on another Ankara fabric. So I will cut this out also. So now I have two of these. Open it up, front facing front. This is the front and this is the back. This is the first one. Then this is the front and this is the back. So front facing front, turn it on their self. Okay, so I said front facing front. So we are going to stitch. We'll stitch like this, stitch down and stitch like this, and stitch this part too. The only part we will not be stitching is this part. So let's go to the sewing machine. After sewing, this is what I have. I'm going to turn it inside out. So I have turned it inside out. I'm going to iron. So I am done ironing. This is what I have. I'm going to fold now. So I will use pin to secure it. This is the first folding. Then we'll fold this one as well. So I folded the first one here, second one and the third one. So I'm going to pin. I am done pinning. I folded the first one on this side. This is second folding. The first folding, second and the third one. Then the same thing for this side. I just pin it to secure it. This is how it looks like. So for the neck, I measured my round neck is 14 inches. So I added 2 inches. That is 16 inches. I've already cut out the material. This is 16 inches by 3 inches. So when you want to cut out your own, measure your neck, your round neck, so that you know what to cut out. Then you add 2 inches to it. Then you measure it out. Then the width should be 3 inches. So this is what I'm going to be adding to this. I will pin it so that you see. So the band for the neck, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Place the right side on the floor and place your collar on it. So we are going to sew like this. Let me pin it so that you see. So this is what I mean. When you pin to the right side, when we sew like this, it will turn. Then you will turn it like this. We are going to fold ½ inch from here and use this ½ inch to cover this seam like this. This is what we will have at the end of the day. So now I will go and stitch. Then we will stitch this ½ inch too on it like this. So let's go to the sewing machine. So I have stitched this like this. So you bring out the pieces. This is how it will look like. So I'm going to fold ½ inch here and fold it on the collar. So we are going to sew on this edge. Fold ½ inch in and fold ½ inch here. So do the same thing for this side. When you want to sew ½ inch here, then you sew. So let's do that. Let's sew. So I am done sewing. This is what I have. This is the front. Anywhere can be the front and anywhere can be the back. So now for the handle, we use velcro. This is velcro. So I will measure 1½ inches. I will use glue gun. We'll gum one here and we'll glue the other one here. So I have glued the velcro with the help of my glue gun. This is what it looks like. So this is the finished work of our Ankara Jabot tie.